All right, this is our Audi Q4 e-tron. This one is a Premium Plus 40 rear wheel drive, and it is in glacier white. All right, we're gonna start off with the front. That's your charge ports. Moving on to the back, here's our trunk. Here's our trunk space. We have the all-weather floor mats, including the mat in the back, which is nice. Under this, we have our charger. And then there's even additional storage under there. Nice. All right. It's also going to be a power liftgate. Cool. Moving on to the back seats. Some USB-Cs at the bottom. And then you also have your cup holders right here. Nice. Also equipped it with the Sonos sound system. All right. We have the automatic seat adjusters with a memory. Sunroof, moonroof. Look at the Sonos right over here. All right. Here's your screen, entertainment system, climate control, gear shifter. You have a wireless charger and also 2 USB-Cs up here. And then some more room over here. All right. There you have it.